Christmas time tonight. Everyone's gonna have a good time. Everyone's gonna have some fun. Everyone is feeling happy, waiting for the snowstorm to come. And everyone is feeling so excited. Everyone's wrapped up nice and warm. Look up high into the sky. Now it's time for the Skyline Snowstorm. And everyone is feeling so excited. Everyone's wrapped up nice and warm. Look up high into the sky. Now it's time for the Skyline Snowstorm.
Hello everyone! I said hello everyone! Are you all ready for Christmas? You are? Oh good, because we're almost ready too, aren't we gang?
No.
What do you mean no? What have we forgotten? We've wrapped all the presents, we've decorated the fireplace. What else is there left to do?
Well, we need to light the Skyline Christmas tree, Candy.
Yeah, lighting the tree is really important.
Well, there's something else we need to do as well, man.
You're right, bud. Well, I can't think what that could be. Candy, we've just been singing about it, silly. The snowstorm!
Oh, yeah. But I think we might need some help with that.
And help to light the tree? Well, I know just the person.
You do?
Yes, the Christmas fairy.
Christmas fairy?
Wow! Where is she?
Right here. It's me.
You?
Yes, I'm pretending to be a Christmas fairy.
But Candy, how are you going to light our Christmas tree?
Well, that's easy, Sprouty, with a wave of my magic wand.
Whoa, that is awesome!
Let's see if that wand of yours works, Candy. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to count down from 5 and see if Candy's magic can light up the skyline. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So cool, Candy.
Fabulous.
Oh, Candy, that was well bonkers! Do you think you could magic up a snowstorm?
No, I can't, Sprouty. But I do know someone who can. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, ride down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeer pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, the Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's full of big toys for boys and girls again. He goes sleigh bells, jingle jangle, oh what a beautiful sight. So jump in bed and cover your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
one of you. Ho, ho, ho. Thank you for whisking me here, Candy.
Oh, you're very welcome, Father Christmas. And do you think you can help us to make it snow in the skyline tonight?
Yes, of course.
Oh, can we help too?
Yes, indeed. In fact, I'll need all of your help. To make it snow, we need to fill the air with the magic of Christmas.
Well, how are we going to do that?
All we have to do is sing.
Sing?
Yes, and the louder we sing, the more it will snow.
Well, that sounds easy, but what are we going to sing?
Well, we wish you a Merry Christmas.
Okay, boys and girls, the words are going to be on the screen. Do you think you can sing along with us? And can you all be really, really loud? Here we go!
Nice and loud, everybody.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oh dear, Father Christmas. I don't think they were loud enough.
I agree. Come on, grown-ups, I don't think you are all joining in. This time, let's be really loud and fill the air with the magic of Christmas. Then, it will snow. Ready?
Yeah! Come on, mums and dads, we want you all joining in too!
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for taking part in tonight's snowstorm. We hope you enjoy the rest of your Christmas holiday here at Butlins.